learned in our previous video about cations and anions. Today we're going to have a look at calculating the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in an ion. Let's take a look at this atom of chlorine. It has an atomic number of 17, which gives us the number of protons, and a mass number of 36, which gives us the number of protons and neutrons. So I'm sure we can agree that this atom would have 17 protons, 18 neutrons, and 17 electrons. Okay, now let's have a look at an atom of sodium. It would have 11 protons, 12 neutrons, 23 take away 11, and then 11 electrons. But how about if an atom of sodium had a positive charge, it was an ion? It would then have 11 protons, which is equivalent to the atomic number, 12 neutrons, but the number of electrons would be 10 because we have one less negative electron. Let's look at a beryllium ion and its protons, neutrons and electrons. It has 4 protons, 5 neutrons and 2 electrons because it has a charge of 2+, so it has lost 2 electrons. Let's look at a sulfide ion. It has a charge of 2-. It has 16 protons in its nucleus, 16 neutrons and 18 electrons because it has gained 2 negative electrons. Pause the video now and practice figuring out the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in the following ions. Potassium has 19 protons, 20 neutrons and 18 electrons. The oxide ion has 8 protons, 8 neutrons and 10 electrons. The phosphide ion has 15 protons, 16 neutrons and 18 electrons. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment and subscribe and share this video to get it to more pupils like yourselves. All the best and see you in my next video.